Alright, let's try it again. Forgot to do the little count out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this part, we're going to teach you actual how to do it. So, it starts on an E octave. You mute this D string and it's E, so these are all E. And you just kind of and ideally you'd want to hit this, but obviously I need a cutaway for that. So yeah, and then it goes into the just a full step slide down. So yeah. It goes to like a D power chord to an A power chord. C to G. You can also do it down here, which I know Billy does on some live sets. So D, A, C, G. And back to the D. So that's just the basic parts, and you can figure out the solo on your own. I don't play lead.